Let's continue binomial factoring. So look at this problem. So I wrote it down a fourth minus b fourth. I know it is not square power. The reason I bring this out though, because it looks really similar to square term factoring formula as well. Okay, so please let me know if it makes sense to you. So can I rewrite this? A squared to the square minus b squared to the square. Yeah, basically 2 times 2 becomes 4, so this become a to the fourth power, and then this become b to the fourth power. So this is same as a square minus b square forms. Then you can factoring. So what is going to be? This becomes a square minus b square, and then a square plus b square. Now look at this form again. It is a square minus b square again, right? Therefore you can do one more time. So this become a plus b, and then a minus b, and this one we concluded from the last video, it is prime. It is not factorable if square power of them has plus sign. So you just keep a square plus b square. Okay? Then look at this question. So 81 x to the fourth power minus 16 y to the fourth power. So first of all, I'm going to switch it as a square power form. Then this becomes, we can write 9x squared to the square minus 4y squared to the squares, right? Okay, then now we just complete square form. So now we can make a binomial factoring. So this becomes 9x squared minus 4y squared, and then 9x squared plus 4y squared. Again, so this is already prime terms, but you should think whether we can do one more time. Can we do one more time? Yes, it does. So this become, you can rewrite it 3x squared minus 2y squared, and then this term the same, 9x squared plus 4y squared. Then this complete a squared minus b squared. Therefore this answer becomes 3x minus 2y and 3x plus 2y and 9x squared plus 4y squared. That is the final factoring answer for this binomial problem. There is another case of binomial factoring form. So look at this title, the sum and difference of two cubes formula. So it means whenever you have any binomial form, looks like a cube minus b cube, or a cube plus b cube, you can make a factoring. So please look at this formula and then following. So this become a minus b, and then the right side becomes a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, this becomes a plus b, the right side becomes a square minus ab plus b square. So when you look at these two formulas, you may notice one fact, which is If the sign is minus, then the first factor become single a minus single b here, right? And the second factor form becomes a square plus ab plus b square here. But this is plus here, then the first factor has a plus b, and then second part is start from minus and plus. So that is the key point here. Unless you do correctly, you won't get correct factoring form. So please be careful. Okay, then from now on, we will talk about few problems. Number 1, y cubed minus 8. Y cubed minus 8, we can rewrite that y cubed minus 2 cubed, because 8 is 4 times 2, 4, 2 times 2. As a result, 8 become 2 times 2 times 2. Now, this one looks like the first form here. So I'm going to follow this formula and then make factoring of this binomial. Then this becomes y minus 2, and then y squared and plus, because this is minus, then this must be plus, and then 2y also plus 2 squared, which is 4. That will be the answer for this binomial factoring. Okay, another one. So 8x cubed plus 27 here. Then this one we can rewrite 2x to the cubic power plus 3 to the cubic power. Then this one looks like this form here now. Therefore, I'm going to follow that. So factoring becomes 2x plus 3, and then second term, so 2x squared, which is 4x squared. Now this start from plus, then this term must be minus, and 2x times 3 becomes 6x, and then 3 squared, so becomes 9. That will be the answer for this problem.